Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we have y squared, sy, s squared. They are the root number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one, we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we simplify. So y we change for vs. dy over dx, that is about this one. Next, we need to simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, v and v, we have 2v. So I will put this one go to the right. So the s and s I will put on the left. This one I will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can do about factorization by v. Now, we need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. So I will put dv in here. So we need to add about v. Later that, we need to minus about v. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. v divided by v, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of v. And the second one, about v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.